Whoever said that business notebooks had to be dull, black, boring, drab slabs? HP certainly doesn't think so. This is the HP EliteBook 800. I'm Derek with Windows Central. Let's take a look. So you might be used to thinking of business notebooks as being very utilitarian. HP has turned that idea on its head with the EliteBook 800. It has the same sort of aluminum, beautiful design that we're used to seeing in HP's Spectre-level laptops. It's got Bang & Olufsen audio. It's got this beautiful speaker grille, very sharp, clean lines, nice colors. It's a great-looking laptop, but it's made for business users. As such, there's a whole bunch about this that is a bit different than on your typical consumer-grade laptop. For one, it's a matte screen. It's not this glossy panel. It's going to get covered up in fingerprints. It's nice, matte finish touch. It does have a lot of business security features, including Windows Hello compatible things. It actually has both IR cameras for logging in via facial recognition and a fingerprint sensor so you can log in with your fingerprint, whatever suits you. There are also some features that cater more towards the business crowd. There are actually two different ways that you can interact with this specific one. You've got your standard trackpad, but the buttons are up at the top because there is also a little pointer nub right in the middle of the keyboard there. It's sort of a Lenovo ThinkPad style thing, but here on this HP laptop. They also offer an option with a touch display, so there are three different ways that you can poke, prod, and point on this laptop. Now, the EliteBooks are HP's top-end business laptops, and as you might expect from that, it has a lot of top-end specs. This can run the latest 8th generation Intel Core i5 or i7 processors, up to 32 gigabytes of RAM, and up to a terabyte of SSD PCIe storage. This laptop comes in 13, 14, and 15-inch sizes, and unlike last year's EliteBook, this year all of them are available with HP's privacy screen feature, which is a dynamic privacy screen. You just hit this button here, bam. All of a sudden, somebody sitting next to you is going to have a really hard time reading what's on your display, but meanwhile you can see it just fine. Because this is a business laptop, HP needs to make sure that it has everything a business user could need because they don't want to carry around dongles, and neither do I. So they've got a full-size USB-A port and also a built-in card reader for common access type cards like you'll see in military government applications. On the other side, you'll find a whole bunch of ports. There is a standard barrel power charger, so all of the old HP chargers are going to work with this, but it also does have USB-C Thunderbolt 3, and you can charge the laptop through that. You'll find actually HP's old dock connector. They had this on several previous generations of laptops, so if your business has HP's desktop docks already deployed, they'll still work even with this new laptop, but they're hoping you'll pick up Thunderbolt 3 and get all the speeds and benefits of that. It has a full-size Ethernet port that actually flips down to fit a full-size Ethernet connector because Ethernet's thick and these laptops are not. HDMI, a full-size USB-A, a headset jack, and even a slot for any micro SIM so you can get LTE connectivity on the go with this laptop. The HP EliteBook 800 starts at 850 euros for the 13 and 14-inch versions of this laptop. The 15-inch one is a little bit more, and you can configure them with all those high-powered specs, and you can expect it to drive up the price a heck of a lot. They're available right now from HP.com and other retailers, and so you can go check them out starting at 850 euros for the 13 and 14-inch models. 15-inch is a little bit more, and you can spec them out all the way up. It costs well over 2,000 euros. We're looking forward to spending a little bit more time with this. I'm Derek with Windows Central. Thanks for watching. And up to a terabyte of SSD PCIe storage. Are you picking up the guy behind me who keeps talking over in my ear? Okay. Okay. This laptop comes in 13, 14, and 15.